Hi friends, welcome back to Kanjilal Homeo Care. I am Dr. Tushar Kumar Kanjilal, practice head of Kanjilal Homeo Care, which was founded by my late father Dr. Jain Kanjilal in the 1955 and at 87 Lenin Sharoni, Kolkata, 7 lakh 13 West Bengal, India, where I am still practicing. Now I remind you that please take note. We offer telemedicine services from during the since the corona outbreak and or from all over the world. The patient consult me and they take medicine and I ship I courier the medicine to them right at their home, so don't have to go out for medicine. And one thing that I want to tell you that please like and subscribe uh, so that you can get all my future videos right at you. So today I am going to discuss you few topics like articaria, split disc, sebaceous cyst of the scalp and scrotum, abscess of the ear, bone marrow tumor, cystic hygroma, and sebaceous cyst, seborrheic dermatitis, and alopecia. So, you know, first let us start with urticaria. I had a patient, a man of 48 years age, suddenly developed urticaria and was taking allopathic treatment and recovered. But after a few days, again reappeared. Then he consulted me. There was no peculiar uncommon symptoms except that some hints I found in the general symptoms, and accordingly, I gave him my homeopathic medicine when the rashes increased for 3 4 days and disappeared. But again, after 5 6 days, a few rashes developed, and I changed the medicine and from general symptoms as usual, and all the uh, eruptions disappeared for good. Now, next, I come to a case of slip disc. A middle-aged man had slip disc with weakness of the lower limbs, pain in the upper limbs, and MRI scan revealed slip disc at lumbar vertebrae with compression of the roots of the nerves and spondylosis of the cervical vertebrae. He was advised traction followed by surgery. He took traction and consulted me. I gave him medicine on the nature and pain and weakness of the limbs, where he gradually started getting relief and he developed mucus colitis with blood, with stool. All pain relieved, the weakness of the lower limbs improved and cured within 2 months' time. But the mucus stool continued for 6 months, after which he became all right. Next, I come to you with multiple sebaceous cysts of the scalp. A man aged 50 years with palpitation, nervousness consulted me. I gave medicine where palpitation disappeared within 4 months' time. Nervousness slightly lessened. He then developed itching eruption of groins. He had suppressed it with ointment in the adulthood, and I advised him not to suppress the itch with ointment. Then nervousness relieved slightly more. The sebaceous cysts disappeared except larger one which let out sebum and all after all content came out, the discontinued part of the skin of scalp healed, and finally cured. All this took 1.5 years time and no relief of itching groin. Then I advised to use the coconut oil and gave medicine. In another 6 months, the itching relieved. So this was the case of sebaceous cyst, multiple sebaceous cyst of the scalp. Now I come to another multiple sebaceous cyst of the scrotum of a man of 45 years. He had no other issues. This is a one-sided case. It is either incurable or hardly curable, depending on nature of his mind and physical generals. For example, liking and disliking for various kinds of food like sweet, sour, salty, fish, meat, egg, rice and bread, etc. And desire for fresh cold air or warm air. I gave him my homeopathic medicine and he got cured within 3 years' time by natural letting out of sebum of all the cysts, followed by automatic healing. Now, friends, I come to you with another case of abscess of the ear. A man had abscess of the pinna of the right ear with various abdominal troubles depending on totality of symptoms. I gave him medicine and he was cured within 1 month. Before that, this abscess of the right ear patient consulted surgeon and he advised, gave medicine, no relief, ultimately advised operation. Now I come to another case of very interesting and difficult case. This is a bone marrow tumor of a lady of 48 years with, with a severe pain all over, unable to move, and bone breaks if she moved. There was no peculiar symptom, as usually depending on mental state, physical state. I gave her medicine. She was all right for 3 years, but her daughter desired to discontinue the treatment, for she could not move, though there was no pain at all. They did so. Now I come to you another case of cystic hygroma. A lady 20 years had cystic hygroma above the shoulder blades for 8 years, no pain, the swelling subsided after 3 years of treatment. Seborrheic dermatitis, another case of axilla and neck. A man of 38 years had dermatitis of neck and axilla, took allopathic treatment with slight relief, then consulted me. I cured him within 1.5 years. Now this is the another case, alopecia. A man of 22 years developed alopecia. There were other symptoms, pain in the limbs, neck, body, all over. Warts on the covered parts like axilla and groins. He used allopathic for many disorders, no relief. Then I gave medicine. The patchy baldness disappeared within 3 months. Thank you very much for your patience, hearing, viewing, and listening this video. I hope you will be benefited, and please do like and share, and subscribe so that my next videos can reach you easily. Thank you very much.